Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Share Market Dalal Street Week Ahead program for December 2nd week. A disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. This video is purely for educational knowledge purpose only. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. This is our agenda follows for this week. So what we are expecting for this week after the rally of 21,000 landmark for Nifty, and we have good numbers of GDP and no rate hike from RBI and the state elections results favoring a ruling party. Will the rally continues? Yes, but this is a time for cautious and bit defensive after the Nifty rally up. So this week we can expect a range bound rally which is ranging from 20,500 to 21,500. That's what the experts are prediction as per the call ratings. US Fed meeting is a key expectation this week. So Fed meetings will be carried out this week, which is they are expecting there will be no rate hike of interest, which is unchanged from 5.25 to 5.5 percentage, and there is expectation of the cues for rate cutting. Anything will be happening in upcoming 2024 or the first quarter. That is a expectation keenly watched in the upcoming Fed meeting. And the key data, another is US inflation. The US inflation is will be released on December 12. They're expecting the number of 3.2 to 4% respectively as per from the experts. Next data is the CPI inflation data for India, so which will be released on December 12. This is expected to be around the range of 5 to 5.6, 5.5 to 6% for November. It was 4.9% in October due to higher food inflation, though core inflation may remain steady around 4.3% in November. Important global key news. So China's consumer price fall fastest in 3 years. The consumer price index dropped 0.5% both from year earlier and compared with October, the data from National Bureau of Statistics. The next data is about Japan. The Toshiba and Rome to invest $2.7 billion to jointly produce power chips. The latest partnership is about the Japanese industry ministry have hoped that out of concerns, the country power chip industry is too fragmented to catch up the industry in technologies AG. Next few information about the Indian market and key stock news. So for the Kipla, we have an information that the Invagen Pharma, which is a fully owned subsidiary where the US FDA pulls up the lapses due to the lapses at Ahmedabad plant. The medicine is that they have manufacturing for refractory complex partial seizures as a adjunctive therapy in patients 2 years of age and older. For the commodities, gold, silver price likely to see a rebound ahead of FOMC meeting next week. The gold saw a significant 3% drop during this week, while silver ended with a substantial 10% decline and influenced by increasing opportunity cost of holding bullion amidst in the prolonged period. ITC is being declared as the world's largest third most valuable tobacco company after London-based BAT Singhs. Some more news, that agreement worth of 3.5 lakhs crore inked at Uttarakhand Investor Summit, which was happened last week. So Amit Shah have stated that while addressing the concluding session, India would become a 5 trillion economy by the end of 2025. NCLAT stays CCI penalty on NTPC for its sequestration on Ratnagiri Gas and Power shares. So CCI means it is a Competition Commission of India. So the formalities were not followed. For that, NTPC acquired 35.7% of the equity shares capital of RGPPL without notification to CCI, which is increasing its stakes from 25.51% to 60%. So the next information about the coal, India's coal import declined by 4% to 148 million tons in April to October period. GMR Airports aims to raise 3,125 crores in debt financing for Bhogapuram International Airport. There are some stock recommendations from the experts. We can say a Megastar Foods, the current trading price is 374. They're expecting the target of 475. Profit Mart is a broker, is bullish on the Megastar Foods. Is expecting to buy in this range. And from LKP Securities, there are two stock recommendations. The Motherson Sumi, which we also recommended last week, which they are saying the current market price is 95. They're expecting the range to go for the target 110 with a stop loss of 90. And for India Cements, there is a buy recommendation at current market price 272.50. The target price is expecting 300 with a stop loss of 260. These are the three key stocks with the technical ideas that may expecting 15% return in 2 weeks time. First is Voltas. We have given this as a technical call last week as well, which you can see again. There is a recommendation. So the current market price is 855. We are expecting the target of 915. So it is trading crucially near to its supports. So anytime we can see a rise in this. There was a rally in the past when exactly it supported the crucial support zone. So you can buy in the near term for 820 to 840 levels. So for the target of 850 to 860 and mostly to the target of 915 with a stop loss of strict 825. The next stock is Kotak Mahindra Bank. The Kotak Mahindra formed a trend of a head and shoulder pattern, which you can see the consolidation is happening around the range of 1700 to 1790. So one can buy in the range of 1825 to 1840 for the target of 1900 with a strict stop loss of 1785. The both RSI and DMI is showing positive for this stock. The third stock is Jubliant Foodworks, who are the prominently franchise of the Domino's and Popeyes. So there is a market buy price is 559. So they are expecting the target of 645 with a stop loss of 499. RSI and DMI seems bullish turn. So one can buy in the zone of 550 to 560 to have a target of 645. Before doing your investment, please do your own research. These are recommendations based on technical analysis by the experts. So oil prices and currencies. So the oil price seems to be settled at 75.84 per barrel, where it was trading in September 25th at $96, which means there is a 21% dip correction so far. We are expecting there will be a rise in the oil price. So the oil price determines the market move as well for this week. The FII and DI data. So the FII and DI both are turns net buyers. They bought already for almost 10,900 crores for this month in the cash market, as well as the domestic institutionals also purchased for nearly 5,700 worth of shares in the cash market. We hope there could be expecting of profit booking, either one of them. Let's see how the market rallies. And this is the F&O Cues for the upcoming week, where we can see a strong call options. Open interest is at 21,000 strike, and put option interest is at 20,900. So the people are expecting the range from 20,500 to 21,500 during this week. So going forward, 21,000 seems to be a crucial level for its to have a clear on the support and resistance. These are some corporate actions for the week, where some of the companies are declaring their bonus and their dividends and buybacks from the some certain companies. So you can look into it. If you are having any holding companies of this, please have a watch on it. The next is about the IPOs. This week we have some IPO subscriptions and listings as well. So Domes Industries and housing finance company Indian Shelter Finance Corporation is going to have their launch of IPOs opening from December 13 to December 15, and Prestonic Engineering subscription during December 11 to December 13, and SJM Logistics 12 to 14th, and Sri OSMF and Sriaram Recycling Industries will be launched from December 14 to 18. Accent Microcell, the public issue, will be closing on December 12, while Sheetal Universal will have its listing on December 11 and Graphisats on December 13. We have given all these details during our daily post-market report as well. That's it for the Dalil Week Ahead program. Hope the video is beneficial for you to stay awake on the week ahead, coming week trades. So please have a like to this video if it is beneficial, share to your network, and subscribe to our channel and press bell notification if the video is beneficial. Thanks for watching. Stay safe invested.